So nag-crave kami ng baby back ribs ng asawa ko. Share ko lang tong promo ng Big Beast na buy one take one Rockabye baby back ribs for only 375 pesos. Available lang to every Wednesday of the week. Sakto Wednesday pa lang ngayon at dito kami nag-dine in sa Big Beast Festive Walk Mall Iloilo. At available din siya sa Big Beast SM City Iloilo. Grabe yung big serving nila ng ribs na may kasamang rice, side of corn at green beans at barbecue sauce. The ribs are juicy, tender, and grilled to perfection. Super nagko-complement yung ribs sa barbecue sauce niya. Ilang beses na kami kumain dito at suking-suki kami sa buy one take one nila dahil sobrang sulit nito. We will rate Big Beast buy one get one baby back ribs ng 5 out of 5 stars. Tag nyo na yung partner nyo na mahilig sa baby back ribs para itry to. Namit gida!